Question number 8, it says solve the rational equation for x. Remember to check for values that should be excluded from the solution set. If there is no solution, then enter no solution. So the first thing we need to do is figure out the restricted values. So we have a denominator which is the same, which says we have x plus 6. We're going to set that equal to 0 and solve for x to find the restriction. So if we solve for x, x equals negative 6, and therefore this is the restriction. Number 2, we want to figure out, okay, how many terms there are. So there are 3 terms in this equation. Then we want to find the LCD of those terms. Well, we can see that the denominator for 2 is 1. So we're trying to find a denominator between 1, x plus 6, and x plus 6. So that means we only have 1 x plus 6. So therefore, the LCD is going to be x plus 6. And then we're going to multiply each term by the LCD. So in step 3, what we want to be able to do is then multiply each term by the LCD. So we have 2. We're going to multiply that by the LCD. Minus 3 over x plus 6. And we're going to multiply that by the LCD, and then equals x plus 2 over x plus 6, and multiply that by the LCD. Okay, now keep in mind what the LCD is. So the LCD is x plus 6. You know that's x plus 6 here over 1. And this is also x plus 6 over 1. And remember here that we're multiplying each term by the LCD. So now what we're going to do is we're going to simplify. So here in step 4, we can distribute the 2 to both of those terms to get, or we can leave this as 2 times x plus 6. Minus here we can simplify the x plus 6, which gives us 3. Then on the right side we can simplify the x plus 6, which gives us x plus 2. Now if we distribute the 2, which you could have done up here in step 3, we get 2x plus 12 minus 3 equals x plus 2. Now we're going to combine like terms. So we end up with 2x plus 9 equals x plus 2. We're going to subtract x to both sides to get x on one side of the equation. So we have x plus 9, which is equal to 2. And then we're going to subtract 9 to both sides. And therefore x is going to equal negative 7. And so therefore, if we go back to the top, we can see that negative 6 is restriction, which doesn't apply to our solution. So therefore, x is going to equal negative 7.